Hello and welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn how to upload data to a web server. Before you upload data to a remote server, you must first register a domain and rent sufficient hard drive space. You can easily do this on www.godaddy.com. I'd like to register www.landigo.com. Once you've registered successfully, you should receive email confirmation with your login information. You'll need that information to access the server and upload your data. These operations are based on an Internet protocol called FTP. The server where we upload our data is often called an FTP server. First, I'll show you how to access the server using your web browser. Since we're using the FTP protocol, I'll click on the address bar and type FTP, a colon, and 2 slashes. Now I have to type the host name. You can find the host name here at the Host item. If you succeed in contacting the server, a login dialog will appear. To access the server, you have to supply the correct dialog. Type in the login information that your provider sent you and click the Login button. As you can see, everything went well, but there aren't any data yet. Notice that the browser is attempting to save the login information. If you let the browser save it, you put yourselves at risk of unauthorized usage. That's the reason why you shouldn't save the login details in your computer. Let's try to upload some files. Unfortunately, the web browser interface only allows us to display the content of the server. To delete, upload, or edit data, we'll have to use specialized software. Programs for such purposes are generally called FTP clients. We'll be using a program called FileZilla, which fits our needs nicely. You can download it completely free from the FileZilla official website. Just click the FileZilla client button and select a version that corresponds with your operating system. If you install the client and run it the first time, it will look very similar to this. It might resemble classic file managers that you're probably used to. However, notice the text boxes for entering FTP login information. Again, type in the information your provider gave you and click the Quick Connect button. Now I'll show you how to manipulate with actual data. Here in the left panel, you can see files and folders saved on a local hard drive. I'd like to upload this website and also a couple of videos from the Development folder. The simplest method is to drag the whole folder and drop it into the right panel. At the bottom, you can see the progress of the transfer. Notice that we're only copying data. This means that they'll still remain in the original location. In case you wish to delete certain files, you can do it by simply hitting the Delete key. For security reasons, deleting usually requires confirmation. Using the client, you can also create new folders. Just click the right mouse button and select the Create Directory option. Afterwards, the program will display a dialog box requesting the folder's name. I'll type in Website 3 and confirm. As you can see, a new folder called Website 3 appeared. Keep in mind that copying files also works in the opposite way. I'll drag the newly created folder and drop it into the left panel. Remember that this is a way to copy data from the server to a local hard drive. By now you should be able to work with the FTP protocol. Thank you for joining me, and I'll look forward to seeing you the next time.